Brethren, good morning. Under the direction of Scotty G. and Zachary H., I've been asked to lead out in our administrative training on building and maintaining relationships with our priesthood leaders. The focus really will be on that word relationships, though we will focus on some practical ideas of working with priesthood leaders. The little bit of time we'll spend together will be on the relationship aspect of it. As we look at the Gospel Teaching and Learning Handbook, I invite you to consider in 1.4 this simple sentence: attributes of charity, vision, and humility allow us to accomplish the Lord's work as He would desire. Charity, or the pure love of Christ, should be the basis of a teacher's relationship with students, priesthood leaders, parents, colleagues, and supervisors. In a little bit, Canvas training will go out to you, and next Friday we'll come together and discuss these principles. But I do invite you to prayerfully consider your relationships that you have with priesthood leaders and ponder this concept of charity and its role in your relationship. I look forward to being with you next week. Take care, my friends. Goodbye.